Hey, so I think Google Sheets might have taken a feature away with drop-down menus. With the new drop-down chip, it seems as though we're missing one of the key features that a lot of people used. I got this question on another video, which you can watch here, where I introduced the new drop-down chip. And the new drop-down chip allows you to insert down here a drop-down. Over here, it gives you options. You can write, options here. You can write an option here and add another item, or if you have a range of options, you can select a criteria drop down from a range. Here we can say sheet 1 to C2 colon C5. We hit done here, and now this drop down chip has all of those options. Well, it used to be that if you had something like 1, 2, 3, 4, that you could just take all of those comma separated values and put them in drop-down options. That doesn't seem to be the case. Looking through all of these, maybe you have to do some kind of custom formula, or if you have drop-down and you want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have them already in a comma-separated value, you can only paste them right here. There's no way to paste and have it be the options. You'd have to go 1, delete all this, go here, 2, add another item, 3. If you have a comma-separated values as your data range that you want to have for your drop-downs, did Google really take this away? Here's a little bit of a workaround. If you already have these in your somewhere in a sheet or in a database somewhere, and you're like, okay, I have these comma-separated values. How do I use them? What I would recommend is adding a sheet. If you don't want the entire sheet, I recommend getting an extension that I created called Tiny Sheets. Tiny Sheets allows you to create a one-column sheet. If we do, you can see it's a one-column sheet. You can paste that in there and then equals split. You can say the text is going to be this A1. The delimiter is going to be a comma, but it's in quotes. You can say true. I think you can say true here. And then you have to wrap around it. Transpose. I think we can do that. There you go. And if you transpose around it, it will go down a column. Now we can copy and paste the values, Command C to copy, and then Command V to paste. Now we have all of those options from that comma separated values, so we can delete it. And now over here on our drop down, we can call this drop down options, or drop down, let's say, and let's delete all of these things. And here we can insert, let's do this, insert drop down into A1, yes, drop down from a range, and make that range drop down, A colon A. You have some advanced options here that we used to have. Oh, and it also will show you the options right away. One thing I did want to also add that Google did add is this new pill feature. And I thought they did take away this one with just the arrow, but actually they didn't take it away. This little bonus information for those looking to see if they deleted this. Show the advanced options. Down here, you can select arrow. You can also select plain text. If you don't want an arrow, if you don't want some indication of what should be in there, or some selection, so you can use that arrow, the one we know and love, the drop-down menu we know and love with just an arrow. You can have that, or you can have the new style, which is a chip, and it'll show a little pill, and it'll have some kind of conditional formatting with a little bit of color. You can also, if you want to do your conditional formatting by yourself, have the arrow, then add your conditional formatting later. So Google didn't get rid of that, which I'm very excited, but it looks like. Now, if somebody wants to comment down below here on YouTube that I'm wrong about this, please let me know. Matt was looking at my other video about the Google adding this drop-down chip, and he, in fact, questioned this, and now I'm questioning the same exact thing. Where can we do a comma-separated list for a drop-down? Gave you a little bit of workaround to use a split and then transpose formula to a list on a separate sheet or a separate tab. But let me know if you have another way of doing this. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos on Google Sheets. Bye.